How to use Darli AI. Tap on Darli AI button. Chat with Darli AI like you would in a normal conversation. Tap the image icon and choose a photo from your library. Note, you can also take a picture instantly using your phone's camera. Tap Next and save to complete the upload. When you use Darli AI for crop diagnosis, you will receive 3 key insights: symptoms, recommended treatment, and prevention tips. Darli AI can help you with detecting crop diseases, connecting you to agri-input dealers, sharing weather forecasts, providing general agricultural advice such as best performing crop field or farm, suitable fertilizers for your crops, crop recommendation based on your location. All done.